Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix can't delete disk partition on Windows 10. We want to delete partition A. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type diskpart. Type list space disk. Select space disk number. List space partition. Find your partition total size. Select partition number. My case partition number is 4. Type delete partition override. Type exit from diskpart. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.